Hello guys, so we would be discussing one stock in this video which is a major beneficiary of electric vehicles. Now there is a huge disruption is happening in the automobile industries due to electric vehicles, and we have been listening regarding electric vehicles from past so many years. Now definitely there would be a huge demand regarding electric vehicles in the future, but why that is happening? Why world is shifting towards electric vehicles, or why there is so much buzz around electric vehicles? Even government is also pushing electric vehicles. So right now guys, one of the major issues faced by world is air pollution, and because of that air pollution there is a huge climate change is happening. Now traditional cars, that is petrol cars and diesel cars, so they uses an internal combustion engine, and because of that there is a huge air pollution is happening. Now as there is a huge air pollution is happening, so there is a climate change is happening. So collectively all the major governments coming together and they are trying to work on this particular cause, and the fastest way to do that is adapting the electric vehicles, because electric vehicles does not emit that exhaustive gases, and because of that air pollution can be reduced. And Indian government is also pushing electric vehicles as well. In 2015 Indian government came with the FAME scheme, and in 2019 they have came with the FAME 2 scheme. Now what is FAME? FAME is faster adoption and manufacturing of hybrid and electric vehicles. Estimated sales of electric vehicles is going to rise to 31.1 million in 2030 from 2.1 million in 2020. So you can understand that there is a huge adoption of electric vehicles is happening. Now guys, let's understand the modern car. So modern car is not like the traditional car which is used to build 10 to 15 years back. 10 to 15 years back when there is a premium car, so that contains 50 to 80 microprocessor units. Whereas if you look at the modern car, then modern high-end car is minimum having 150 plus microprocessor unit. If you look at the low-end car as well, so they are also having 100 plus microprocessor units. So there is a huge data, there is a huge usage of software is happening in the cars. So if you look at the cars, then car is nothing but the software which is working on the wheels. Now estimated cost of softwares in the cars is going to rise to 50% in 2030, which was 27% in 2020. So you can understand that there is a huge demand regarding softwares, or we can say the auto components. Not only automakers are going to benefit from the disruptions of electric vehicles, but there would be a huge demand for other component makers as well due to this electric vehicle shift. And if any particular company is working on that particular segment of softwares, then eventually there would be a huge demand for that company as well. Now the stock which we have selected over here is a KPIT Technologies. KPIT Technology is a global company which provides solutions to automobile companies towards autonomous and connected and shared mobility. KPIT provides solution in areas of electrical and conventional powertrain, autonomous driving, connected vehicles, vehicle diagnostic. KPIT is an independent software integrator which works with the global automobile industry leaders, and they are having deep expertise into CASE domain. Now what is CASE domain? CASE. So C stands for connected, A stands for autonomous, S stands for shared, and E stands for electric. So now let's understand the revenue system of KPIT Technologies. So KPIT Technologies 93% revenue comes from the product engineering services. So you guys can understand that there is a huge concentration towards automobile industry, out of which 27% revenue comes from the USA and 33% revenues comes from the Europe. So you guys can understand that US and Europe both are major hubs of electric vehicles, and there is a faster adoption is happening of electric vehicles in that particular segment of the world. So major revenues comes from that particular zones, and rest of the world they are generating 40% of revenues. KPIT's major revenue comes from the T25 clients, where they refer T25 to the top 25 manufacturers of global automobile industry. Now these people, those who are global leaders, so they spend huge money on the research and development part, because R&D is most important thing. Because if electric vehicles are creating huge disruptions, so there should be a proper research and development goes behind this particular thing. So this company spends hugely on the research and development, and for that they rely on that particular companies, those who are doing this job properly. So instead of spending their own money on their own research, they outsource this thing to KPIT, and KPIT is well positioned for that because they are working on autonomous autonomous, they are working on shared mobility, they are working on electric vehicles, they are working on powertrain. So here KPIT is having huge benefit from this particular thing. So guys, if you look at the net profits and revenue generated by KPIT Technologies, then you guys can witness that it's a constant growth on the quarter-on-quarter basis as well. And if you look at the year-on-year data as well, then there is a constant growth from past several years. Now, if you look at the shareholding patterns, then 40% of share has been held by the promoters, whereas 31% of shares has been held by the retail investors, and 16.5% of share has been held by the foreign institutional investors, whereas 8.5% of share has been held by the mutual funds. So there is a good participation of market participants as well in this particular stock. Overall, if you look at the KPIT Technologies, so it is having very bright future. Though if you look at in the past, then in 2021 this particular stock has rallied almost 8x. In that period, majority of IT stocks has rallied quite well. So KPIT also from zones of 100 it has rallied to 800 and now corrected. Past almost 1 year it has been consolidated in that same period, and now it is having the potential that it can do well in upcoming 2 to 3 years. So we are clearly having investment view in this particular stock. So where we should add this particular stock? अगर यहाँ से ये ऊपर जाता है तो हमें कब ऐड करना चाहिए, या फिर कभी करेक्शन भी आता है तो हमें कहाँ पे ऐड करना चाहिए? So we have discussed this particular thing with the help of technical. So make sure to watch till very end, and before that make sure to subscribe this channel. So guys, now if you look at the chart of KPIT Technologies, in front of us there is a daily chart. If we look at the weekly chart, then you guys can see that in last year from almost, just a second, from almost 100 zones it has been rallied to 800 zones. So you guys can understand it has given 8x rally in the year of 2021. फ्रॉम ऑलमोस्ट 100 जोन्स वो 800 तक की जोन पे चला हुआ है, और जनवरी में ये हाई उसने क्रिएट किया हुआ है. एंड नाउ वी आर ऑलमोस्ट एट द ईयर एंड. हम लोग नवंबर में कहीं दिसंबर में जाएंगे, एक साल ऑलमोस्ट खत्म हो जाएगा. एक साल में इट हैज बीन कंसोलिडेटेड फ्रॉम 800 जोन्स, इट हैज केम टू 450 जोन्स, एंड फ्रॉम देयर इट हैज बीन बाउंस टू ऑलमोस्ट 700 जोन्स. मतलब वो ऑल टाइम हाइस को इसने अभी तक क्लियर नहीं किया हुआ है. नाउ इफ यू लुक एट द डेली चार्ट, आई विल जस्ट क्विकली मूव टुवर्ड्स द डेली चार्ट. Then daily chart, you guys can see that it has created this beautiful pattern. This is a double top where it has created earlier highs, and now recently it has came to this zone, and from there it has corrected again. Just a second. It has corrected again to this zone and it is trying to bounce. Now few days back there was a news where they have partnered with Renault as well, and from after that this particular rally has we have seen कि यहाँ से ये एक अच्छा खासा वो इंट्राडे में बाउंस आया था. अभी हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? देयर आर टू ऑप्शन दैट व्हेनेवर वी विल सी दैट ब्रेकआउट अबव 750 760 zones, then we can enter into this stock, and definitely our view is for investment purposes. Our target would be 1000, 1500 and 2000, and our holding period would be for minimum next 2 years, because guys ये एक investment category का stock है which is performing quite well, or which is performing or which is doing revenue wise और या फिर business wise बहुत सारी अच्छी चीजें कर रहे हैं, बहुत सारी अच्छी चीजों में they are participating, and eventually they are going to get benefit of this particular electric vehicles का जो भी disruption हो रहा है, जिसकी वजह से बहुत ज्यादा उनको benefit मिलने वाला है, because they are one of those companies जो सॉफ्टवेयर इंटीग्रेशन में वर्ल्ड में कुछ गिनी चुनी कंपनियां, उसमें से KPIT टेक है, तो डेफिनेटली इनको बहुत ज्यादा फायदा होगा. तो हम लोग होल्डिंग के व्यू से मिनिमम 1 से 2 साल के व्यू से इसे होल्ड करेंगे, जिसका टारगेट 1500 2000 के लिए हम लोग होल्ड करेंगे. इन्वेस्टमेंट व्यू से अगर हम लोग होल्ड करते हैं तो ऐसा टारगेट दिमाग में लेके मत चलिए, बट आई वुड बी हैविंग दैट व्यू कि मैं नेक्स्ट मिनिमम 2 years के लिए होल्ड करो. 2023 में आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग कि ये बहुत अच्छे तरीके से चले टुवर्ड्स 1000, 1200, 1500 की जोन्स तरफ जाए. बट मेरा ऐसा व्यू रहेगा कि मैं 2 साल तक, जब तक कुछ बुरा न्यूज नहीं आता या फिर बहुत ही ज्यादा कुछ बुरा नहीं होता टुवर्ड्स इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स, आई वुड बी नॉट सेलिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक. सो मैं क्या करूंगा दैट इफ आई वांट टू लुक, अगर आप हमें अभी फ्रेश एंट्री देखनी है तो हमें अगर समझो फॉर एग्जांपल कोई डिप आता है टुवर्ड्स 675 या 650 जोन्स, देन दिस वुड बी अ वेरी गुड जोन्स, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ये जब कैंडल में ब्रेकआउट दिया था, आई वुड शो यू द वॉल्यूम्स, ह्यूज वॉल्यूम्स के साथ में ब्रेकआउट दिया था, तो विच सजेस्ट दैट, जस्ट अ सेकंड, सो यू गाइस कैन सी दैट जब ये यहाँ पे जब इसने ब्रेकआउट दिया था, सो ह्यूज ब्रेक वॉल्यूम्स के साथ में ब्रेकआउट दिया था, जो कि आज तक KPIT में हाईएस्ट वॉल्यूम्स है. उसके बाद में मतलब उससे पहले इतने कभी वॉल्यूम्स नहीं आए थे ना, अब तक उसके बाद में आए हुए. सो यू गाइस कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट बिग प्लेयर्स हैव एंटर्ड ओवर हियर, एंड वी वर बी हैविंग व्यू कि ये ज्यादा 650 के नीचे इसके बाद में नहीं जाएगा, और यहाँ से एक अच्छा खासा रैली आएगा. सो दिस इज द फाइनेस्ट जोन्स कि आप ऐड करो. करंट मार्केट प्राइस इज 718. अगर कोई भी डिप टुवर्ड 650 600 के जोन्स में मिलता है, अगर पॉसिबल डिप आता है मार्केट के करेक्शन में, तो आप उसको मिस मत करना। और अगर समझो वो डिप नहीं आता और उसके पहले इसने यहाँ पे 750 770 का ब्रेकआउट दिया, तो फिर यार वो डिप को भूल जाओ, बिंदास यहाँ पे लो। जब भी फ्यूचर में डिप आएगा तब अगेन ऐड करना और पीसफुली शांति से ये स्टॉक को 1 से 2 साल के लिए होल्ड करना है, एंड इट वुड बी गिविंग यू अ वेरी गुड रिटर्न्स। सो that's how we can go for this particular stock. I hope you guys like this video. So make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Have an awesome time, guys.